For this return demonstration, I will be making an unoccupied bed. So first I will gather all the necessary materials like the clean sheets, and now I will do proper hand. Now I will move the pillow. Now I will take this off. And then I will dispose them to the dirty linen bag. And now, since I'm going to touch the clean sheets, I'm now going to dispose my blankets. I will unfold this, but not in a way that I will puff it, because if I puff it, it will spread pathogens around. We can choose to finish all of this or just the half. And for now, I'm just going to do the half so that I can work on the other side later. I will place the lift sheet in the area where I will assume the patient's shoulder and waist. I'm going to go to the other side. I will make sure that there are no folds. Now I'm going to change the pillowcase. I will make sure that the opening of the pillowcase does not face the door. Then I will dispose of this. Assuming that this is a clean pillowcase, I'm now going to replace it. And now I will put on the top sheet. Now I'm going to tuck the bottom sheet under. So that it won't touch the floor and for infection. Alright, I have finished making the unoccupied bed, and now I will document. Now I will also do hand hygiene. For this return demonstration, I will be making the bed that's occupied with the patient. So first, I'm going to check the patient's chart to see if their bed needs changing. So now I'm going to greet and identify the client. So good morning, ma'am. I'm Robert Jasper C. Gabinero, student nurse for today, and I will be making your bed now. I really don't want to do anything. So, and then I'm going to provide privacy for the client by closing the door. so ma'am, mag-side lang po tayo. I-roll po natin yung mga linens panloob. And then, papalitan na po natin ng sheets. Ay, pero bago po muna natin palitan, i-dispose na po natin ang gloves natin. And do another proper hygiene. And then yung lift sheet naman po. So, change naman po natin ang side ang patient. So, ma'am, mag-side na po tayo. So, may mararamdaman lang po kayo, ma'am. So now, mag-hand hygiene po tayo ulit. And then, itatapon na po natin ito sa dirty linen. And then, dispose ulit po natin. And then, i-roll back naman po natin ulit ang sheet. Then, gagamitin po natin ang lift sheets para mag-clarification. So, pwede na po kami mag-dasal po. And then, papalitan na po natin ang top sheet niya. So, hindi muna po natin tatanggalin ang pumok niya. Then install na po din po natin. Then we will do proper hand hygiene and ask po natin sa patient kung ano na po naman. Hello po ma'am. May nararamdaman po. So now I will document po na napalitan ko na, na-make ko na po ang bed ng patient.